Hi friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Please subscribe to the channel. Hi friends, today let us gain knowledge on unit testing. Friends, unit testing is a type of software testing where individual units or components of a software are tested. As you know that entire software or entire application which consists of all the client requirements are not implemented at single shot. There will be no big bang development. The entire application is divided into modules by modules. The developers will develop module by module. So each module is considered to be the unit, or the part of the module or sub-module is considered to be the unit. That unit is tested in the unit testing. The purpose is to validate that each unit of the software code performs as expected. Unit testing is done during the development or coding phase of an application by the developers. Friends, though the name indicates the unit testing, it was done by the developers because in this unit testing, each and every line of the code is validated. They mainly focus on syntax and semantic errors. They check the semantic, the structure of each and every loop they are maintaining. And also the semantic errors means whether the correct data type or the correct data flow has been implemented or not. By this, they check whether they are able to generate the build or not. So, as per these reasons, unit testing is performed by the developers, and also it is called as white box testing or in detail testing. Friends, for better understanding, consider the simple example. During the process of manufacturing a ballpoint pen, the cap, body, tail, and the ink cartridges and the ballpoint are produced separately, and they will test each and every unit in unit testing process. Once each and every unit was perfectly designed as per the plan, perfectly implemented as per the plan, then once they assemble all the parts, we get the final output as per the expectations. Unit testing is the first level of software testing, and it is performed prior to the integration testing. Friends, please click on subscribe button to support our channel Abhey, and also please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your valuable support to our Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. I hope it will continue forever.